Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to see who viewed your public profile on Snapchat. Alright, so let's begin. So, in order to understand profile views on Snapchat, you have to follow this explanation. First, open your Snapchat app and log into your account. Once you're inside, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your account page where you can see your profile details and settings. From here, open your public profile by tapping on the public profile option. Now here, if you go to Insights section, you will see all of the activity of your public profile. Now here's the important part. Many users wonder if Snapchat allows you to see who viewed their public profile. The simple answer is no. As of now, Snapchat does not provide any feature that lets you see exactly who viewed your public profile. This is mainly because Snapchat puts a strong focus on user privacy. Just like with stories and general profile activity, the app does not reveal the identity of users who view your profile. So, while you can view your own public profile, there is currently no official way to track who has visited it. Any apps or websites claiming to do this are not reliable and should be avoided. And that's it. This is how you can see who viewed your public profile on Snapchat. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.